dark right now.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Tarpon Springs to Swanee River, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, showers and thunderstorms developing over the coastal waters will be capable of producing wind gusts of over 34 knots and waterspouts. Movement was northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Azello, Crystal River, Hernando Beach, Clearwater Pass, Fort Ritchie, Enclode Key, Bayport, Tarpon Springs, Yonge Town, Cedar Key, Arapaca, and Dunedin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northern and west central Florida and adjacent coastal waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts,